Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we are going to explore an ancient Chinese character. Its pronunciation is
口
It means mouth. It can also mean an opening, an entrance, or a gate. It is also used as a measure word in Chinese for people in a household, for wells, or for a mouthful of food or water. When this character is combined with others, it forms many common words. For example,
口罩
means face mask,
出口
means exit, and to export,
港口
means port or harder,
一口井
means one well. Now, let's take a look at how this character evolved throughout history. In the earliest oracle bone script, it resembled an open mouth, as if someone was smiling. As the writing system became standardized, the character was gradually simplified until it eventually took on the square shape we use today. Let's practice reading this character together.
口口口
This is a single component character. It is made up of 3 basic strokes: a vertical stroke, a horizontal turning stroke, and a bottom horizontal stroke. Do you remember the golden rule of writing Chinese characters? From top to bottom and from left to right. Now, let's try writing this character stroke by stroke. First, write the vertical stroke on the left. Next, draw the horizontal turning stroke on the top right. Finally, add the bottom horizontal stroke to close the square. When combined, these strokes look like a small square. When the character
口
is used as a radical, it usually appears on the left side of other characters, like this. Sometimes it also appears at the bottom of a character, like this. Whenever you see a character with this radical, it often relates to actions involving the mouth, such as speaking, eating, or making sounds. It can also appear as a large enclosing shape that surrounds other components to form new characters. This type of structure is called an enclosure structure. The character
口
is widely used and very easy to remember. Writing it is just like drawing a small square. Isn't it simple? Have you learned it now?